Well, here goes Jay. He's going to do the second flight of his Parkzone T-28. He's got his Dynam T-28 there. He bought it first, and I think he's crashed at every flight. But he's getting better with it. Parkzone, I think, is easier for him to fly and stuff. So he's been practicing with it. Got one flight in, his maiden today. It's getting kind of breezy now though, but I think he'll be alright. We'll just have to watch his landing and stuff. Yeah, kind of touchy.
Right there, so I can't pull up.
And what practice is good of that is not to actually come in and kill the frog and land it. To just try and do a flyby. But like half throttle, line yourself up the road and fly down the road. And that's good practice on your landing, because you'll be able to line up with the road.
There you go. That looks good, Jay.
Beautiful. Kill the throttle. Kill it. Pull up.
Flare it up a little bit. Oh! That's all right. Oh, that always happens, man. That gear always comes off, Jay. Nice flight, man. You did good.